Hey and welcome. So, before I get to anything, we still are running a competition where you can win $100. So, just check out the rules below the video and you can enter to win $100. This will end in Friday, okay? Now, to the rest of all the live session I just had. And yes, you can join me. Just use the first link that you find below the video and you can join me and you can trade together with me and make money together with me. So let's take a look at the trades I've done today and I'll tell you the profit after. So let's go here. We did a lot of trades today. All first of May, you see here. All these trades you see here now, we did. And with the turn we can with some cashback, we made 528, but without cashback, we made 470. So you see 63% win rate, not the best. 27 trades. But like with cashback, like I said, we did turn, because every time I'm trading I get cashback. You see here, I'm VIP level. So you can see all in all, since I started, I have 7,147 in cashback back. But you, by the way, we made $528 with the cashback. So you see the cashback helps. So, once again, if you want to trade together with me, you see, for example, we trade this line here now. For example, I would have taken a trade here now. I'm actually no, maybe it did break, but I would have taken a trade here buy. And you see, we had like 60, was it 63? 63% win rate. So you see, we don't win every single trade, but we win most of them. So we are printing money basically. So if you want to make money together with me, trade together with me, I trade live every single day on this broker and I trade on another broker also. So when you sign up, you can just choose which broker you want to trade together with me with, and I can teach you how to trade, and you can either you can just copy me if you want to do that, or you can pay attention and you can learn how I'm trading and you can trade the same way I'm trading. Completely up to you. But with that, have an amazing day and I hope I see you tomorrow.